How do billionaires spend their billions? Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. When we think of billionaires, we often picture lavish lifestyles filled with private jets, luxurious mansions, and expensive cars. However, have you ever wondered how these ultra-wealthy individuals actually spend their billions? While some may indeed indulge in extravagant purchases, many billionaires have a more practical and strategic approach to managing their vast fortunes. From philanthropy to investments, how billionaires spend their billions can be both surprising and inspiring. In this video, we will delve into the world of the super rich and explore the various ways in which they choose to allocate their wealth. So buckle up and get ready to discover the fascinating world of billionaire spending habits. Spending 1. Luxury investment homes and vacation properties around the globe. Among the favorite indulgences of billionaires is the acquisition of opulent residences and vacation homes scattered across the globe. From opulent estates tucked away in the hills of Beverly Hills, ultra-modern penthouses piercing the sky in New York City, to lavish villas nestled along the stunning French Riviera, the rich and famous certainly have a taste for the finer things in life. However, such decadent living quarters come with a hefty price tag, often running into millions or even tens of millions of dollars, and the costs don't stop at purchase prices. Maintaining these expansive properties, paying a retinue of dedicated staff, and settling property taxes all contribute to the ongoing expenditure tied to these homes. Apart from the glitzy city mansions and serene country estates, billionaires also have a penchant for owning vacation properties in some of the world's most exotic locales. Imagine the luxury of retreating to your private island in the Caribbean, with turquoise waters, pristine white sandy beaches, and the bliss of solitude a reality for many billionaires. Such tropical escapes offer them a refuge from the hustle and bustle of their busy lives, providing a slice of paradise that's exclusively theirs. In essence, property acquisition, particularly of the luxury kind, is a significant avenue in which billionaires utilize their substantial fortunes. Their extravagant residences and vacation homes are not just a testament to their enormous wealth, but also a reflection of their distinctive lifestyle. It is this pursuit of exclusivity and comfort that underlines the billionaire's approach to property ownership. Spending 2. Exotic cars and private jets. Billionaires transport vehicles. Travel for the uber-wealthy is far from the standard fare most of us are accustomed to. Commercial airlines and ordinary vehicles just won't cut it for the billionaires of the world. Their choice of transport aligns with their extravagant lifestyle and the desire for exclusivity and convenience. Hence, they gravitate towards private jets and high-end, often tailor-made, automobiles. Acquiring a private jet is a significant investment, with price tags ranging from $5 million up to an exorbitant $100 million. The costs, however, don't stop there. The maintenance, fuel, and the hiring of a professional crew all add up, making the ownership and operation of a private jet an ongoing financial commitment. Yet, for the Billionaire Club, the convenience, privacy, and luxury it offers make the expenses worth it. In addition to the sky-high lifestyle, billionaires also exhibit their taste for the finer things on the ground. High performance and exotic cars are a common sight in their expansive garages. Renowned brands are often the preferred choice. These vehicles, frequently customized to the owner's specifications, are an extension of their personality and a testament to their immense wealth. But it isn't just about the flashy brands or the aesthetic appeal. These luxury vehicles are renowned for their superior engineering, unrivaled performance, and cutting-edge technology, making them the embodiment of automotive excellence. It is this pursuit of perfection and the thrill of owning the best that motivates billionaires to invest in these luxury machines. It is clear that for billionaires, travel isn't merely a means to get from point A to point B. Instead, it's about making the journey as opulent and enjoyable as possible. Whether it's soaring through the skies in the solitude of their private jet or cruising along the highway in a masterpiece of automotive engineering, billionaires certainly know how to travel in style. Spending 3. Setting up trusts and foundations. Preserving and ensuring the effective use of their wealth is a key concern for billionaires, and this often leads them to establish trusts and foundations. These entities offer a structured way of transferring wealth to subsequent generations, as well as directing resources towards charitable causes. The purpose of setting up these trusts and foundations often reflects the interests and values of the billionaires themselves, as they get to dictate the terms and priorities of their funding. Trusts and foundations also provide tax benefits, which is another reason why they are favored by the ultra-rich. In some cases, they may reduce estate taxes, protect assets from lawsuits, and allow for the tax-efficient distribution of wealth to heirs or charitable causes. This financial strategy enables billionaires to leverage their wealth in a manner that aligns with their long-term financial and philanthropic goals. These trusts and foundations can also serve as an enduring legacy for billionaires, ensuring their name and influence continue long after their lifetime. They can be used to provide continuous support to the causes and initiatives they are passionate about, ensuring their impact is felt for generations to come. Creating trusts and foundations, therefore, is more than just a wealth management strategy for billionaires. It is an effective tool to extend their influence, enact positive change, and establish a lasting legacy in line with their values and ambitions. Spending 4. Investing in cutting-edge technology and innovation. A common trait among billionaires is their inherent desire to shape the future. This forward-thinking mindset often leads them to invest heavily in emerging technologies and innovative sectors. They are always on the lookout for groundbreaking projects that carry the potential to change the world as we know it. Areas such as artificial intelligence, AI, clean energy solutions, biotechnology, and space exploration are particularly appealing to this group. Why? These fields hold the promise of bringing about substantial technological advancements, changing the way we live and work, and potentially providing solutions to some of the world's most significant challenges. Their interest in these sectors stems from the belief that investing in such disruptive technologies can yield tremendous long-term returns and have a lasting impact on humanity. Let's take a closer look. Investments in AI, for instance, can support the development of smarter technologies and applications that can revolutionize industries, from healthcare to finance. Clean energy investments can propel the development of sustainable energy solutions that can combat climate change. In the realm of biotechnology, billionaires are financing research and development efforts that could lead to breakthroughs in medicine, potentially curing some of the world's most challenging diseases. Then there's the final frontier, space. The allure of outer space has captivated billionaires, leading to substantial investments in space exploration. They envision a future where interplanetary travel is possible and believe in the potential of harnessing space resources. The dollar amounts funneled into these fields are staggering, often reaching into the millions or billions, depending on the project's scope. It's important to note that these investments are not merely about potential financial returns. For many billionaires, it's also about being part of something larger than themselves, helping to drive progress and shape the future. The interest in investing in innovation and cutting-edge technology is more than a trend among billionaires. It's a testament to their visionary mindset. It highlights their willingness to take calculated risks and their commitment to contributing to advancements that could change our world for the better. It truly underlines the saying that with great wealth comes great responsibility. Spending 5. Private security and personal services. A significant allocation of a billionaire's fortune goes towards ensuring their safety and comfort through private security and personal services. This encompasses a broad range of measures designed to safeguard their person, their loved ones, and their vast array of assets. Beyond physical security, billionaires often spend hefty amounts to ensure the safety of their residences and properties. This can involve sophisticated home security systems, which can range from advanced alarm systems and surveillance cameras to biometric security measures, vaults, and safe rooms. These state-of-the-art installations are crucial in maintaining the security and privacy of their properties, deterring potential threats, and offering peace of mind. In the digital age, safeguarding personal information is also a priority. As such, many billionaires invest in privacy services, which help keep sensitive information confidential and protect them from potential cyber threats. These services can include cybersecurity measures, digital privacy tools, and data protection services. Alongside security, personal services are also a substantial expenditure for billionaires. This category includes household staff like chefs, housekeepers, personal assistants, accountants, lawyers, doctors, and gardeners. It also extends to personal trainers, nutritionists, stylists, and even travel coordinators. These services, while enhancing their lifestyle, also free up their time, allowing them to focus on their business interests, philanthropic efforts, and passion projects. In summary, the commitment to private security and personal services is an important aspect of a billionaire's expenditure, reflecting the need for security, privacy, and convenience amidst their high-profile lives. Spending 6. Passion projects and hobbies. Billionaires often channel their wealth into pursuits that fuel their personal interests and ambitions. These passion projects and hobbies not only offer them personal satisfaction, but also present opportunities for them to innovate and contribute to diverse fields of interest. These areas of investment can span a wide range of sectors, from arts and sciences to sports and entertainment, reflecting the diverse interests of these billionaires. For instance, there are billionaires who channel their resources into the field of arts. They may become patrons of art galleries, commission unique art pieces, or even amass impressive private art collections. Sports is another common area where billionaires direct their wealth. They often invest in sports teams, either as a means of supporting their favorite sports or to influence the direction of the sport. Film production and entertainment are also common passion projects. The field of scientific research and exploration also attracts investment from billionaires with a passion for discovery and innovation. Billionaires have funded several ambitious projects aimed at advancing space exploration and renewable energy solutions. Then some are passionate about historical and archaeological exploration. They invested heavily in deep-sea diving expeditions, resulting in significant contributions to our understanding of marine biology and geology. Thus, the areas into which billionaires channel their wealth for their hobbies and passion projects are as diverse as their interests, leading to substantial contributions to a variety of sectors. Spending 7. Extravagant vacations and leisure activities. Billionaires certainly don't skimp on leisure and downtime. Instead of your run-of-the-mill vacation, they elevate their breaks into larger-than-life adventures and experiences that most can only dream about. The super-rich may opt to rent entire islands for their exclusive use, offering a degree of privacy that is unmatched elsewhere. Cruising in custom-designed super yachts with a full crew catering to their every whim is another favored pastime of this elite group. Some even push the boundaries of conventional vacationing by partaking in unique and extraordinary adventures such as suborbital space travel. But leisure for billionaires is not limited to unique experiences and locations. Hosting grand soirees with high-profile guests and world-renowned entertainers is another way the super-rich unwind. They use these opportunities to network, forge alliances, and create indelible memories. In essence, the leisure activities and vacations of billionaires are about more than just relaxation and breaking away from routine. They become grand narratives, creating remarkable stories that are a testament to the experience wealth can afford. These ventures allow them to carve out exceptional memories that stand out just like their immense fortunes. Time for the soft question. Where would you invest your billions if you were a multi-billionaire? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. This can help viewers learn from each other and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.